Hi guys, it's Phil with the Nichesss Unofficial 7-day challenge. Let's jump straight in here. I think it's worthwhile clearing the decks and putting their expectations to bed straight off the bat. So here's what we're going to be covering over the next couple of days. Okay, we're going to be looking at finding a niche, generating product names and headlines using Nichesss, generating product outlines with Nichesss, using Nichesss to generate content, fact checking with Google to make sure what we're saying is correct, and making money with the product. And that's it, guys. So jumping straight in, we need to find a niche, a topic, whatever you want to call it. If you've already got a topic in mind and you're way past this in your journey in internet marketing, then feel free to end this video now and join us again tomorrow night. For anybody else who's kind of wondering what to pick and how to find subjects, then hang on and I'll show you a very, very quick way of doing that. So a dead easy way of doing this to find subjects and topics that are in demand is, I love this one, by the way. I don't know whether this came to me in a dream or whether somebody showed me this. If they did, my apologies. It's shown it to everybody else. So you type a beginner's guide 2 and just put a space behind the 2, press enter. And then again, what you need to do is put a space behind a beginner's guide 2. And what will happen is, when Google catches up, it will populate searches that people are looking for. So beginner's guide to Minecraft, to investing, to chess, to D&D, whatever the heck that is, to Animal Crossing, to Fortnite, to keto, spirituality, crystals. Pick one that kind of like catches your eye. If none of them catch your eye, start going through the alphabet. Okay? And find the one that catches your eye. We're looking for top level items of interest. So I've got kids, so beginner's guide to Minecraft appeals to me, and I'd probably be looking to twist this to a parent's guide to Minecraft. Keep your kids safe, that kind of thing. But anyway, let's delve into this first and foremost. Very quickly, let's eyeball the search results. So minecraftgamepedia.com. That was written in 2012, so it's quite old, the first result there, which is kind of encouraging. 2019, yeah, it's encouraging as well. What we're going to do is we're going to use the first of the tools I use, which is a free tool, to give us some insight to this. It's called Mozbar, and it's Mozbar. It's from the Chrome Web Store, and it's free. You need to register for their API, which is free again, but it works like a charm. Slows your computer down a little bit, so if we hit those awkward silences from this point forward, then I hope it's okay with you guys. Anyway, let's see if we've got any data populating now. And I'll explain what the data is kind of giving us some insights too. So we've got PA, links, and DA. People will tell you that PA, which is page authority, and DA, which is domain authority, don't matter anymore. I disagree. They're a nice guide for how the SERPs are presenting data and results to searchers. So the first one is a DA of 89. It only goes up to 100. So that's hugely authoritative site. So that doesn't look good. What we're looking for is in the first, I don't know, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 results. We're looking for something with low page authority and low domain authority, and hopefully low backlinks. This isn't a science, by the way, guys. There's ways people can get around this, but I'm just giving you a guide of how you can actually find some interesting topics so that you can use on this project and hopefully make some money out of. So moving on again, we've got result 2 is page authority is 40, domain authority is 70. Next one, domain authority 84, 68, 88, 34. Okay, I looked at this before. It's position number 6, Minecraft for beginners. That would kind of pick my interest. I'd think to myself, okay, they're in on the top. In position 6 on the front page of Google. There might be some mileage in this, and that's how I'd start looking for keywords. So this isn't very sophisticated. So what I do is I'd advise you guys to do as well is use a keyword research tool. Lots of them are very expensive. Stay away from them. At the level that we're working at for this project, you certainly don't need them. My favorite go-to tool is dirt cheap. I can't believe they offer it so cheap, and it's on a pay-as-you-go basis rather. Sorry. I'm not an affiliate for this. Okay, I love this tool. I recommend it to everybody, but I get nothing from this. It's called Keywords Everywhere. $10, £10 gets you 100,000 instances of keywords. I mean, you can't grumble at that. Anyway, I'll show you how it helps us. I'm going to try and keep this video really, really, really short. So once you register with them and you get your API, then you can actually activate this little extension here. So it's going to give us some additional data, and this data is going to be really useful in us moving forward and selecting a niche. So Beginner's Guide to Minecraft, we saw that there was a site at number 6, which was low page authority, low domain authority, didn't have many backlinks, which is it is a good sign. Let's see what else this Keywords Everywhere gives us, what additional data. So we've got like sort of, we've got some spikes and some troughs. I'm not really particularly concerned about that. The first related keyword, which is really good, it gives us Minecraft crafting guide, over 6,000 searches a month. It's CPC 82 and it's got a competition of 0.02. What we're looking for is CPCs high if we can get them. If we get them too high, it's going to be far too competitive. But competition we want to be low. That's competition for bidding on the keywords, but it's an indicator for us of how easy it's going to be to get into page 1 of Google. If we're going to be going through the Google route to actually get traffic to our properties on the internet. If we're using phrase, then I'd probably suggest that we should try and do that, but it's not important. The volume still gives us an indication of how popular these particular keywords are and what the interest levels are. Let's go to our number 6 ranking and let's see what we've got. Yeah, we've got a page authority of 30, domain authority 34, and 20 links. That would be a go for me. So I'd pick up this particular topic and run with it and start finding clusters of keywords using this technique that you can then build a guide around. And then you could either sell a guide or appearance guide to keeping your kids safe on Pinterest. We're going to be using Nichesss to actually develop some headlines for us, maybe some titles. And yeah, that's the way I'd move forward on this one, guys. I hope that helps. It's a very quick video. I'm trying to get the kids to bed pretty soon. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to shout. Yeah, and we'll take it from there. Okay, have a great evening, and I'm out of here. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.